Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a JSON file in JavaScript. First, understand that JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a text-based data format that is both human-readable and machine-parsable. It's widely used for transmitting data between a server and web application. We'll cover how to load and access data from a JSON file directly within your JavaScript code, making your applications more dynamic and data-driven. To load JSON data, the Fetch API is your primary tool. You'll use Fetch with the path to your JSON file, which can be local or a remote URL. Once the request is successful, the response object needs to be processed. Call the JSON method on the response to parse the data into a JavaScript object. This asynchronous operation returns a promise, so you'll typically chain a then method to handle the parsed data. Once your JSON data is loaded and parsed into a JavaScript object, accessing its contents is straightforward. You can use standard dot notation, like data, property name, or bracket notation, data property name, especially for properties with special characters or dynamic names. If your JSON contains arrays, you can iterate over them using loops or array methods like for each. For nested objects, simply chain your accessors to reach the desired values. When working with JSON, always validate your data structure to avoid unexpected errors in your application. Implement robust error handling for your fetch requests, especially when dealing with external APIs, to gracefully manage network issues or malformed responses. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. These practices ensure your applications are resilient and provide a better user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.